Okay, today we're going to learn about Cartesian coordinates. Yeah. Okay, we have example of a classroom here. So what you're seeing here is the tables of the students. So to look at a student, the teacher can associate the student with the column and the row his or her seat is at. So these are called the rows, right? The horizontal and the vertical, we call it a column. Okay, so number D here, I can call it row 3, column 5, right? Make sense? Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a look at A here. They say it's 2.4. Let's see. Yeah, so it's column number 2 and row number 4. So it turned out that the column is mentioned first. Always look at the B. 4.6. So column 4, row 6, right? So it's always column first, then row. Okay. So are you able to write down the pairs of numbers which correspond to students D, E, and F? Of course. Let's try E. Remember, column first. So 6 and then row 5. So 6.5. Right? And for F, oh, 1.1. Yeah, very easy. Now let us display the same classroom plan in figure 6.2 with horizontal and vertical lines drawn through the centers of the boxes. Showing the positions of the students, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines are numbered as shown. Yeah, so from this they transform into these, which have like additional, those vertical and horizontal lines, everything, I think, to help you to locate easier the student and the coordinate. uh, this figure here shows rectangular or Cartesian plane, which consists of two number lines intersecting at right angles at the point 0. It is known as the origin. Yeah, so this is the origin. The coordinate 0 point 0. The horizontal and vertical axes are called the x-axis and y-axis respectively. So horizontal line is called the x and vertical line is called the y. So all of these coordinates here is always x point y, x point y, x point y. Yeah, column point row, x point y. The position of any point in the plane can be determined by its distance from each of the axes. Yeah. So, thus its position is given by the order pair. Yeah. So again, if I ask you what is the coordinate of this point A here, so we'll just count from this origin, right? 1, 2, or I go right. 2 steps, right? So the x is 2. And then after that I want to get here, right? So I step 3 times going up, so it's the y, so 2.3. Makes sense, yeah? Or you can just look at the column here, the 2 and the row 3 here, very easy. All right, so you say that the order pair minus 3 negative 3 point negative 1 determines the point B. Let's see, negative 3, yes, the column, and negative point negative 1, the row, yes. So in general, each point P in the plane is located by an ordered pair x point y. Yeah, or we call x the x coordinate or abscissa of P, and y coordinate or we call it ordinate of P. In example, P has coordinates x point y. Yeah. The important thing here is it's always x point y. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. It's just the introduction of the Cartesian coordinates, and for the next discussion, we'll actually learn how to use it. Yeah. Mm. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.